again, a lot of you kanina, mukha lang hindi ko pinansin po. Pero you have been asking me whether I go back on radio or not. Sabi ko kanina sa inyo, I don't know kung napansin nyo, sinabi ko, dito na lang ba ako or what, diba? Dito na lang po, sabi nyo kanina, diba? Diba? Still di ko alam, no? Radio is a lifeline sa akin, no? So hindi ko alam. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy giving advice and listening to people, but the prospect of not being on radio, it's killing me. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung, a lot of things changed na kasi. A lot of things changed na. I do not feel like, sabihin siya, one day na lang siguro sabihin ko sa inyo. One day I'll come clean and diba? And I'll be honest with you. When the time is right. So you can just imagine the broken heart ko ngayon. No? 2 buwan nagdudugo yung puso ko. Totoo lang. I'm just happy na dito kasi ang tiyaga nyo sa akin No? Nakanta ko, nandiyan kayo. Nagugulat nga ako, nandiyan kayo Yan nyo ngayon, anong ginagawa ko lang? Chimichika na lang. Ilang kayo? 1,800. Malaki ba sahod mo sa radyo? Yes. I have been in the industry for a very long time. Malaki na po ang value ko sa radyo. But I know I will just earn better if I do my own thing. But the prospect of not being with radio, it's killing me. So, I don't know. But then again, if you wanna support me, follow nyo yung YT channel ko, Papa Jackson. Hindi ba sapat na dahil na mahal ka namin? Sapat naman. Pero kung mag-ambag kaya kayo ng 1K para mas maging sapat siya. Charot lang. Of course you don't have to. It's just that, well, it's the future that's at stake here. It is. Huh? It's the future that's at stake here. Yun talaga siya. Just follow your heart, I guess. Ang grabe nyo ng 1K. No. I'm just being honest sa inyo. Doon ba kayo? The trouble with me is I have been very transparent sa inyo. Alam nyo yan. Di ba? Minsan nga bad trip na sa akin si Kara kasi minsan may lakad kami. Huwag mo sabihin na malalaman nyo. Diba? Dito ko nalang pag day off mo, which will not be consistent. Kung once a week ko lang gagawin. Ngayon, di ba, parang 2 months ko nang ginagawa ito. Tingnan nyo, consistent tayo. Ang ganda ng numbers natin. Kung mayaman lang ako bibigyan ng sariling radio station. Ganito yan. Let me make you understand something. For 8 years, I built a lot what the station is now. Together with the people I worked with. Hindi lang ako. Okay? Para lang alam ninyo. For 8 years now, I have built so much and din natin, na-enjoy nyo naman yung result. No? But then again, the station went to a crossroad that I voluntarily left my post because there's a lot that I don't agree with na. I'm still a part of it, nandun pa rin ako. Hindi naman nila pinakialaman ng show ko. Pero may kurot na siya sa akin. Hindi ko problema kung anong radyo pong pupuntahan ko I'm still a valuable personality on radio industry. Kaya kong umikot kahit sa istasyon. I don't say that na may halong yabang. I just know that I'm valuable sa industriya. But I love the station. Gets nyo? At the same time, part of it is hurting me. Does that make sense? Is it making sense now? So yun ang aking dilemma ngayon. Hindi itong TikTok yung yung I cannot live off of TikTok. Hindi ako mabubuhay sa TikTok. Hindi kasama sa option ko na magla-live ako tapos babagsakan niya. Oh, no. Bagsakan niya ako o hindi, guys. It doesn't matter to me. Well, I'm so grateful, of course, di ba? Pero hindi yan ang dahilan kung bakit ako TikTok. Masaya lang ako kasi nakikita-kita tayo. Yung YT ko, of course, yan ang gusto ko. Panoorin niyo yan. Pero hindi ito yun. I have other options. With all the plans that I had in mind for the station, I can make it all come true para sa sarili ko. So I have creative horizons. Well, you know, like 2% of what I feel. There's still that 98% more. Ano sabi, hindi kasi lahat may SOCMED. Parang konti na lang din yung walang SOCMED ngayon. Konti na lang. Kaya nga unang ginawa ko nung inumbas ako yung Petanite, nag-invest ako ng sobrang mamahaling mga gamit eh. Para alam kung saseryosohin ko siya eh. Rare na yung may talent at face card. Ano bang hulugan ng face card? Sorry pero anong meaning ng face card? Kino-comment niya sa akin yan, hindi ko alam. Ano ba meaning ng face card? Guwapo, maganda. Wow! Binola niyo pa ako. May poknat naman. Maybe you like me kasi never ako nagpa-cute sa inyo. Maybe, no? Kasi never. Alam niyo, kenkoy lang ako eh. Ang feeling niyo, cute pa na ako kahit kenkoy. Baka ganon, no? Kasi may mga taong pogi, may ganda. Pag nagpa-pogi, nababad trip. Nakaka-bad trip kaya yun, di ba? Maybe, no? Yun lang. It's December 14. I have 2 weeks to decide. I have 2 weeks to decide whether I'm going back or not going back. I have 2 weeks to decide. Follow your heart. My heart is broken. That's the point. My heart is broken. Dito happy talaga ako. Itong online na to, itong setup ko sa bahay. If you can only see my setup at home, guys, there are 3 cameras in front of me. I have 2 laptops in front of me. I have an iPad Pro in front of me. I have a console in front of me. I have a desktop with 2 monitors right across the room. I have built this wall behind me. I have lightings behind me. I have 3 lights in front of me, 2 spotlight on the ceiling. Hindi nyo lang nakikita. But this is not radio. I built it like almost a radio setup. You are heard around the world. Wala? So you know, at least you know kung ano yung ano ko ngayon, yung aking dilemma ngayon. At least aware kayo of what's going on in my life. At least alam nyo. If I go back to radio, lahat to, this will stop. Or if not, it will be minimized. The good thing about this is unfiltered. This is, kumbaga, akin to eh. Exactly the point. Alam nyo, this is a clear evidence. Even if you tag me as someone who give a very sensible advice, I don't know everything. When it comes to things for me, I have to ask advice. Kaya ako, di ba? Yan ang buhay. Kailangan kong opinion ninyo. That's a good one. Di ba? Regardless kung nasa man ako, at least I'm doing what I like. That's a good way to look, di ba? Looking at things. The thing is, I have a deadline. Yan na natin, guys. Let's end this one tonight. Maraming salamat. What you're saying right now makes so much sense to me, and I'm factoring everything. Nakakatuwa kayo, no? Kakanta ko, sabi ko laitin nyo ako, lalaitin nyo ako. Kakanta ko, sabihin ko sa inyo, passive-aggressive yung comment. Sisakay naman kayo. Tapos, change tayo ng mood. I become serious. You are serious with me. You are my people. You are my people. Thank you.